In a surprising revelation, it turns out that NFL stars have an unlikely favorite snack, Uncrustables. The simple, crustless peanut butter and jelly sandwiches have become a beloved staple in locker rooms, with players like Travis Kelce and George Kittle confessing their loyalty to these kid-favorite treats. As the NFL season ramps up, the appetite for Uncrustables is more intense than ever, with teams consuming over 80,000 each season. Uncrustables have become the go-to snack for NFL players, offering a quick, energy-packed treat that's easy to eat between practice sessions, during halftime, and even on team flights. Originally created in the 1990s by former college football player Len Kretschmann and his wife, Emily, Uncrustables were designed to bring the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich experience to a broader audience. These mass-produced, crust-free sandwiches are sealed into a convenient round shape, available in various flavors, and have unexpectedly emerged as a popular choice among elite athletes. According to a comprehensive report by The Athletic, NFL teams collectively consume around 4,300 Uncrustables each week and more than 80,000 per season. The Denver Broncos lead the league in Uncrustables consumption, devouring about 700 of these sandwiches weekly, while the Seattle Seahawks follow with an impressive 320 per week. Meanwhile, the New Orleans Saints and Cincinnati Bengals eat comparatively fewer, averaging only about 50 each week. Despite some teams opting for homemade peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, Uncrustables remain a preferred snack across the league. Travis Kelce, tight end for the Kansas City Chiefs, has openly declared his love for Uncrustables, admitting he eats probably more than anything else in the world. Kelce's devotion to the snack is shared by his fellow NFL players, who value Uncrustables for their energy-boosting qualities and simplicity. San Francisco 49ers tight end George Kittle, for instance, relies on Uncrustables to sustain him during road trips, regularly consuming 2 on the flight to games and up to 4 on the way back. His teammate, quarterback Brock Purdy, was even seen eating one in the locker room before Super Bowl 58. The enduring popularity of Uncrustables marks a shift in the nutritional landscape of NFL players, who now seek quick, reliable sources of energy that fit into their high-octane routines. In recent years, Uncrustables have slowly edged out other traditional halftime snacks, such as the 36 orange slices that home teams are required to provide for visiting teams. Now, these simple sandwiches have taken over as the unofficial snack of the NFL, and the reasons for their popularity are clear. Packed with protein, carbohydrates, and a touch of sugar, Uncrustables offer the perfect balance of nutrients, making them a hit not only among children but also among some of the most well-conditioned athletes in the world. Players appreciate that the snacks are both delicious and quick to eat, with no utensils or additional preparation required. For these athletes, who spend countless hours on the field and in training, Uncrustables represent an easily digestible and dependable source of energy. Uncrustables' rise from children's lunchboxes to NFL locker rooms highlights the universal appeal of this simple snack. As the football season progresses, players will undoubtedly continue to rely on Uncrustables to fuel them through practices, games, and intense travels. For fans, this surprising trend offers a glimpse into the lighter side of life for NFL athletes, showing that sometimes, the simplest snacks bring the greatest comfort and energy, even for the biggest names in football.